Hello everyone, welcome back. This site is a really good site for you to experience what neural network means, and you can play with it, and I really like it. You can just go for it. It's playground.tensorflow.org. You can use it. Okay, for now, let's go and try to solve something really hard. Do you think we can solve these problems? The answer to solving this problem is to using sigmoid and adding 3 hidden layers with some neurons. Then let's run it. As you can see, whenever we add more hidden layers and more neurons, the time of model for learning become more and more. You can see the weights are not optimized yet. The weight is not optimized, but if we change it to ReLU, now you can see the model is learning faster. And it's somehow going to predict the model. You can see it's going to some kind of fit the model, and it's going to lower the loss. Okay, let's change everything and see what we can do. Let's make the batch size bigger and add more hidden layers and then run it and see what happens. This is really amazing. This is like a playing ground for kids. The loss is coming lower. But the thing you must be the thing that's very important for you to take notice is that whenever we add a lots of neurons and a lots of hidden layers, the model sometimes can be overtrained. It's learned one kind of data very well, but it doesn't work in the real world. You must be aware of this. Okay, the speed is too low. Let's just make the hidden layer less and make it sigmoid and see what happens. Okay, do you see this is coming? The problem is that it's not running fast enough, learning fast enough. One of the things you can use is to increasing the learning rate. By increasing the learning rate, this model is going to learn faster. But the problem by learning faster is that it's some kind of can't find the place to optimize your code. Okay, do you see it's running very fast, and that is not what we want. Let's put it back to 1 and then okay, you can play with it to find the best answer, but it is not what we are going for. Let's go and see the regression problems in the next lesson. Have a good time.